Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
(2022) Airstream Interstate 24x touring coach adds overlanding flair to brand Sprinter-based RV. Airstream launched its 24x touring coach this week, adding some overlanding style flourishes to its 24-foot Sprinter coach lineup and offering potential customers an alternative to the streamlined 24G. Propelled by the evolving consumer desire for off-grid capable motorhomes with the ability to bring along adventure gear, like bikes, kayaks, snowboards and more, Airstream developed a Class B adventure van that blends Airstream luxury, innovation and off-grid functionality, Airstream said in its announcement. Built on the same Mercedes-Benz chassis as its motorized Airstream cousins, the Interstate 24x hits the road in 2021 fueled by power and performance, and 9 decades of adventure expertise. The Interstate 24x is something entirely new, an adventure-ready Airstream van that considers even the finest details, it continued. If you're familiar with Airstream self-propelled coaches, then the 24x is essentially a 24G variant with an off-road package. Both are based on the 3500 series Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and utilize a dual rear-wheel setup, but the 24x comes with the 24G's optional 4-wheel drive system as standard equipment and gains a set of all-terrain tires. This theme continues on the exterior with ruggedized lower body panels designed to better resist scratches and dents that could be picked up in rougher terrain. The 24x and 24GT essentially share the same floor plans and standard/optional equipment and accessories, with the 24x being skewed more toward lifestyle and adventure activities than the 24GT or 24GL. At $213,850, the 24x will set you back about $20,000 more than a standard 24GT or 24GL before you add any options. Airstream added its new offering to its website's ordering system as soon as it was announced. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.